All right, let's get into a pretty chilling new chapter in cyber warfare.
Picture this. It's the dead of winter in Poland. A coordinated cyber attack kicks off.
And this wasn't about stealing anything. The goal was pure digital arson. They hit multiple targets all at once, aiming right for the heart of the energy grid. They went after both corporate IT networks and the OT systems that actually run the grid.
So the first wave, it targeted dozens of renewable energy farms, just testing the waters.
And how'd they get in? You won't believe how simple it was. Basic security slip-ups.
Once they were in, they weren't after data. They literally turned the hardware against itself.
Okay, look here. On the left, normal firmware. On the right, the attacker's corrupted version.
And this log? It shows the exact moment that bad firmware just bricked the controllers.
But, that whole renewables attack, that was just the opening act for something bigger.
For months, these guys were lurking inside a major power plant's network, completely undetected.
They were after the keys to the kingdom, stealing credentials and mapping out everything.
And with this one simple command, they just snatched the entire user database.
So what was the plan with all this stolen access?
They used something called Wiper malware. Think of it as a digital bomb designed only to destroy.
And this little file right here? It was built to wipe out over 100 critical machines.
So they launched the attack, but a modern defense system actually fought back and stopped it.
That's over 100 machines they were trying to destroy. Talk about a near miss, right? Look, this whole thing wasn't just a one-off incident. It is a massive warning sign.
What we're looking at is a new blueprint for cyber war, patient, coordinated, and purely destructive.
So the real question isn't if this will happen again, it's when. And are we even ready?